First of all, I would like to commend what Honorable MDC Rabindra Babu has said. I would also like to appreciate on record the statement made by MDC Bidyut Debarma. Honorable Chairman, we are sitting in this chair. We are here in this august house, and I would like to make some observation. These observation is not from the Treasury to the opposition. I think we both realize, both of us, that the TTAATC is a toothless tiger. We do not have the power to implement on any resolution, any bill, any legislative resolutions or bills passed by this House, because as rightly said by various members from the opposition and from the Treasury, our bills reach the Governor, and the Governor then consults the state government, but these bills never get implemented. Last year, there were many agitations by the opposition, alleged that there was mismanagement of funds, corruption in the TTAATC. They were before the elections, Your Honorable Chairman, so I will not comment on it. But the fact is that many promises were made by the government of Tripura, such as 1100 crores for World Bank, November 2021. This is March 2023. Not 1 rupee has come. Commitments were done on various things. You know, the Honorable MDC, Shri Bidyut Debarma, has said that during the CPM rule, the state government was also the left, ADC was also the left. But they did not even honor that commitment. This treatment of the indigenous people of Tripura by different state governments is black and white. And because it is black and white, we know that we are being treated not because Tipra Motha is here. Tomorrow BJP can also be here. CPM can also be here. But your treatment, my treatment, will always remain the same, because history has shown that TTATC has not been treated fairly. You can draw your own conclusions. I don't want to say he is bad and I am good and we are good and they are bad. But the truth is, कल अगर आप यहाँ में बैठेंगे तो आपको भी वैसे ही ट्रीट किया जाएगा जैसे हमें ट्रीट किया जाता है। ये सच बात है। I am very happy that we have passed the police bill. But now we wait for, जैसे ऑनरेबल एमडीसी ने कहा, पैसा सब कुछ नहीं होता है, लेकिन पैसा बहुत कुछ होता है। अगर आप नौकरी देना चाहते हैं तो नौकरी के महीने के अंत में लोगों को सैलरी भी देना पड़ेगा। सिर्फ नौकरी देने से घर नहीं चलता है, सैलरी भी देना पड़ता है। पुलिस बिल पास हुआ है। May I suggest the honorable leader in the opposition कि हम jointly एक टीम बनाएं, and I also request the honorable CM, the people in the treasury, एक joint team बनाकर let us go and meet the government of the day and ask them at least जो बिल्स हमने पास किया है, जहां में यूनानिमस बिल्स पास किया है, जहां में ऑपोजिशन को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, ट्रेजरी को हम लोग एक यूनानिमस हमने बिल पास किया, वो तो कुछ किया जाए। एमडीसी डेवलपमेंट एरिया फंड का जो बात किया गया 25 लाख, आई एग्री विद ऑनरेबल एमडीसी विद्युत वर्मा अगेन कि इट इज नॉट इनफ, इट इज नॉट इनफ, यू आर राइट। कुछ कुछ कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसीज जहां से अपने ऑपोजिशन से भी पद्मलोचन आए, हमारा यहां से धीरेन्द्र आए, बहुत बहुत कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसीज आ जहां में 5-5 कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसीज, इट इज नॉट इनफ। इफ यू थिंक, और अगर आप लोग सहमत हैं तो आई ऑल्सो अपील दैट हम लोग बैठकर एक रिवाइज एस्टिमेट लाए, लेकिन उसके बाद हम दोनों को एक टीम बन के हम एज एडीसी टीम, नॉट एज ट्रेजरी इन ऑपोजिशन, लेट अस गो एंड आस्क फॉर अ अपॉइंटमेंट दैट दिस इज ऑनर्ड। वी कैन राइट एनी नंबर हियर, 5,000 करोड़, 10,000 करोड़, पर रियलिटी है कि उसका 100 भी नहीं आता आपके पास। लिखने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है लेकिन आपको मिलेगा नहीं। तो अगर हम लोग पॉलिटिक्स ना करें इसमें, if we don't indulge in politics and we go combined as, or also Honorable MDC Rabindra Debarma has said, Honorable Chairman, under your guidance, you are the chairman, you don't belong to anybody, we go and we give it in writing. Why don't we give it in writing with all our signatures that please consider our demand, our demands are genuine. I think this will be something that it has never happened. It has never happened before. ऐसा आज तक कभी हुआ नहीं। और मे बी बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, ये ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन, सब लोग बोलते हैं कि ये थानसा क्या है, मे बी ये भी एक थानसा हो सकता है कि हम लोग एज एडीसी मेंबर्स, नॉट एज ऑपोजिशन, नॉट एज ट्रेजरी, एज एडीसी मेंबर्स एक बार जाके एक आवाज में, अरे अपने, वी आर इलेक्टेड पीपल, यू हैव बीन इलेक्टेड, आई हैव बीन इलेक्टेड, वी आर आंसरेबल टू अ पीपल, हमको वोट देके हम लोग यहां में आए, लेकिन हम लोग अपने लोगों को क्या जवाब दें? बैकलॉग बहुत सीरियस इशू, एम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत सीरियस इशू। लास्ट ईयर 619 crore was given to us, budget by state government. Today is 27th of March. We have received 465 crores. The government has not even kept its own commitment. They are short by 134 crores. चार दिन बाकी है फाइनेंशियल ईयर खत्म होने के। आपने 25% बजट तो दिया ही नहीं। दिस ईयर फिर से कमिटमेंट दिया जाए, लेकिन it is very sad that ADC has been created. Our bills are sent to the governor. Customary bill हमने पास किया था. Everybody agreed. Our leader of the opposition is here. He called me personally and he said, thank you for passing the Chakma customary bill. What is the problem? Why is it not being approved? इसमें तो हम लोग एक होके जाके बात कर सकते हैं. The problem here, your honorable chairman, and I hope what I am saying, tomorrow I may not be here. Tomorrow, कल मैं शायद यहाँ ना रहूं. हम लोग सबको जाना है. लेकिन मैं आपको एक बात बोलना चाहता हूं. This I speak with authority and with clarity. The problem is, to the opposition members, to the treasury, I am telling you, the problem is, we are fighting for power. We have to fight for the rights. There is a big difference, your honorable chairman, between power and rights. Right, अधिकार, जो खुमलुंग मार्केट में पान बेचता है, वो अगर उसको अधिकार मिलेगा, दैट हमारा अधिकार. पावर, आज एमडीसी है, मिनिस्टर है, एमएलए है, 5 साल के बाद जिस दिन वो गया, आपका पावर कुछ मतलब नहीं रखता. अधिकार, justice, the fight is for the rights. ADC was given to us to protect the rights of the indigenous people, the 6th schedule. And today, आपने किताब में तो लिख दिया कि आपको राइट्स मिल गए, लेकिन आपने एक्चुअली हमें टूथलेस टाइगर बना के रखा. If all of us, whether it is the Eklavya school, which is being only made outside the ADC areas, whether it is the 36 villages which the honorable member Vidyut had raised last year when he was on this side, no problem, but it's a legitimate issue. Whether it is that, the inclusions of 36 villages, whether it is Chakma Babu talking about Drav Kumar Riyang, who aaj nahi hai yahan, but you had suggested that we should go and visit him. I still remember Chakma Babu, I still remember. I appreciate your suggestions. I don't want to. When I go to Ganganagar, I see the honorable MDC elected from Ganganagar, independent MDC at that time. I see the problem in Ganganagar block. And I know that you have been elected by the people of Ganganagar, but you cannot do anything for your people. And here we are fighting as treasury and opposition. Our people are suffering in the villages, and here we are fighting as opposition and treasury. The truth is, honorable chairman, that we are all suffering. There is no ruling, there is no opposition. We are all in opposition. You all understand that, but openly you cannot admit it. But maybe slowly by slowly, honorable chairman, if we can start a process like you have in the assembly, where there are members of the opposition and the treasury in various committees, maybe यहाँ से भी थोड़ा सा थांसा हो सकता है. I would like to thank the honorable chairman you have given me a chance. आपने हमको मौका दिया बात करने का. छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात, लेकिन ये जो मैं कह रहा हूं, ये मीडिया भी कवर कर रहा है, टीवी भी कवर कर रहा है, और आप लोग सब जानते हैं कि जो मैं कह रहा हूं, राइट्स एंड पावर, ऑपोजिशन एंड ट्रेजरी रूलिंग, असल में जब तक हम लोग के लोगों के पास अधिकार नहीं आएगा, ये का कुछ मतलब नहीं है. आप लोग सुझाव दीजिए. I also request the treasury, मजाक मत उड़ाइए, ये भी इलेक्टेड है, और आप भी हमेशा वॉकआउट मत कीजिए, क्योंकि हमको सब देख रहे हैं, और हमारा बिहेवियर इन द हाउस विल डिटरमिन हमारा सोसाइटी का प्रॉब्लम. I thank you once again for having given me a chance. I appreciate your honorable chairman to have given me a few moments, and I thank and I hope that this budget henceforth we can work as a responsible opposition and a responsible treasury as well. Belai belai no hambai. Thank you. Patratru. Thank you.
Thank you.